Let's start by clicking on the address bar. I'll type in the website URL, www.newpananakesh.com.np. Let's navigate to the website. Great. Now that we're on the site, let's move on to accessing the Notes shop. Let's access the Notes shop. Click on Download Notes to enter the shop. Great. Now we can browse and select a specific PDF from their collection. Let's scroll down to explore the available PDFs. I can see the Physics 12 Complete Notes PDF here. Let's view the details for this PDF. I'll scroll down to check out all the product information and pricing details. Now that we've reviewed the product details, let's move on to entering our email address to begin the purchase process. Let's enter our email address. I'll type in my email address. This is where you'll receive your PDF download link and purchase confirmation. We need to choose how we want to pay for this PDF. Let's select eSewa as our payment method. The eSewa QR code appears, and now let's scroll down to see the transaction form. We need to enter our transaction details to complete the purchase. Let's enter our transaction details. I'll type in the phone number that was used for the transaction. We can submit our purchase form. Alright, let's submit our form now. I'll click the Submit Form button to process our purchase. Let's see the confirmation message that appears next. You'll see the confirmation message appear, showing that your purchase was successful.